He needs the 43-yard line for a first down. Play fake, has time, throwing, got his man across midfield, and down at the 47-yard line is Zach Pascal.
Well, he just sneaks right in here, and he's just going to work up and just create some separation. It's man-to-man coverage, and watch Pascal set the defensive back with that.
Rivers going to go for it all down this side of the field, and it is caught at about the 10-yard line by Zach Pascal.
This is actually really good coverage from Eric Murray, but just doesn't do a good enough job getting his head turned back around to find the football, and that's a great effort.
Just outside the 10-yard line. Rivers, end zone, touchdown.
The man-to-man coverage inside. You see the cushion that Pascal gives him. A little double move there from Pascal. Looks like he's going to head to the...
Rivers, all kinds of time, throwing, that is complete. And short of midfield is Zach Pascal for the first down.
Really good protection. It's a 7-man protection. They're going to keep both tight ends in, Doyle and Mo Alley Cox, and then you just watch Pascal. He's going to run the deep cross. He gets on top of the linebackers, and that is a...
And goal from the 5. Rivers to this side, and looking for the end zone is Zach Pascal, and he's ruled in for the touchdown.
What a great effort. I think he gets in. Watch him lower the boom on Hargraves and then extend the left hand. That is really well done by Pascal, who's had a terrific game for the Colts. He leads the Colts with 5 receptions.